First, I must say, do as I say, not as I do, because as you can see by my desktop, it is very cluttered and I need to do some organization. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to create a new folder so I can do some organization, and then I'm going to put the alias on my desktop. So first of all, click on the desktop. Notice right now in the upper left-hand corner that QuickTime Player is running. I'm going to click on my desktop so that the Finder is active. Then I'm going to go to File, New Folder, and that actually puts a folder over here, and I'm going to start typing right away. I'm going to title this folder Websites. When I click away from the folder and then I click back on it, I can move it over here so you can actually see it. So I have a folder called Websites, and I have some different websites that I've dragged onto my desktop, and I'm going to put those into this folder to organize. Now it's best to not leave this folder on the desktop. Best practice would be to go to, again, your Finder. Notice in the upper left-hand corner it says Finder. I'm going to go to File, New Finder Window, and I'm going to take that folder and I'm going to drag and drop it into my Documents folder. Oh, I already have a folder named Websites, so I'm going to call this folder More Websites. And I will drag that folder into my documents. And then if I click on Documents, notice it's in alphabetical order. So I see More Websites right here. So I want to keep it on my desktop so it stays in my brain fresh, and so when I look on my desktop I see, oh yeah, I have those websites there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File, Make Alias, and that simply makes another folder with a tiny little black arrow in the corner. And if I click away from that, I'm going to click once and then drag that folder back onto my desktop. So now I have the More Websites alias on my desktop, not the actual folder, and that's going to help with your computer and its speed, and it's more efficient that way. So that is how you create a folder and then make an alias of it to keep on your desktop.